Hi, I'm Miki Tebeka. Here at Ardan Labs, we created this series of short videos, each of them showing a cool feature of the Go language or one of the libraries. Enjoy! In this short, we're going to see how to add custom flags to the flag package. So the flag package is the built-in package to handle command line flags. And if you want to add something which is not an integer or a string or whatever built in the flag package, we can add it by implementing the flag.Value interface. If you look at the flag.Value interface, we need to implement two methods, a string, which represent the current value, and then setting from a string, which might return an error. So I'm defining my date format, and then the date flag is a struct which encloses a pointer to a time.Time. In the string method, if there is nothing set, so the date is nil, I'm returning the empty string. Otherwise, I'm using the formatting to format it. In the set method, what happens is that I get a string. This is what's coming from the command line, and then I'm trying to pass it as a date in the format that we have on line 9. If there is an error, I'm returning an error. Otherwise, I set the date to what we have. And now in main, I'm creating the report date. Let's say I'm printing a report for a given date. So it's going to be time.Time. This is what we have. And then I'm setting a flag.Var with a date flag, which has a pointer to the report date, and then the help, and then the usage. Sorry, the name of the flag and then the usage, and I'm going to parse. And finally, I'm just going to print it out. So let me run it from the terminal so we can see. So I can do go run dash date flag, and if I'm not giving anything, this is going to default to the current day, and I'm doing it on January 28th. But I can say date, let's say 24/10/23, and you see now this is October 23. The nice thing is that now, even if I'm doing something which is maybe good with the regular expression but not a valid date, this is going to give me an error. So you can use a lot of these new types to get the validation out of the box from the flag package. You don't need to write your own validation inside the main.